guys, it's me, BabyBats23, and welcome back to my channel, guys. So, yeah, happy Pride Month. In celebration, in today's video, I am going to be reviewing the Sally Hansen Insta-Dry Pride Nail Polish Collection. For the swatches, I'm going to show you them on this little nail art wheel, and starting on the first bottle of polish, which is this white color, the same color as a cloud, which is fitting because the name is Cloud Divine. Really, the only difference is the packaging. As you see, I'm just showing you the color right next to the Peeps bottle that they released back during Easter, but, you know, I do use a lot of white nail polish when it comes to my nail art, so I'm totally fine with having two bottles of this. That being said, I am just going to add 2 coats to make it opaque, and voila! And now moving on to the next polish, which is red, the same color as the blood of my enemies. Kind of hard to tell with the font and all, but this shade is called Love Life Force. It's a super gorgeous red polish. I mean, 1 coat alone is gorgeous, but I decided to add 2 anyways. That being said, 10 out of 10 for this color right here. And now moving on to the third color in this collection, which is orange, the same color as my cat, as well as a crappy fake tan. Once again, hard to see the name of the polish due to the white font, but this one is called All the Heels. It's not very opaque, as you can see here. It's pretty sheer. I'm definitely gonna need 2 coats, but besides that, it's a really pretty orange, and me gusta. So now moving on to the 4th color in this collection, which is yellow, kind of like the color of Lala from the Teletubbies, but this shade is called Here Comes the Sun. This pretty lemon colored nail polish applies fairly evenly with just 1 coat, but I went ahead and added 2 just for good measure. So now moving on to the 5th color of this collection. This green reminds me of the color Invader Zim, and it is called Peak of Nature. And unlike the previous 4 other polishes, this one is a bit on the sheer side. I actually ended up having to paint on 3 coats. Not trying to do like a polish mountain here, but besides that, the color is really pretty. But now moving on to the 6th bottle. This one is a really pretty blue, kind of reminds me of Sonic the Hedgehog. It is called Royal Harmony. So this color is pretty eye-catching. It's really pretty. However, my critique is that it's very sheer. If I was to ever use this for like any nail art, I would add a white base down first just to make sure that this blue was opaque on the first go. But as for the swatch you see on the nail art wheel, this right here took about 4 swatches, but in the end the color is really pretty. But now moving on to the 7th color of this collection is a really pretty baby blue. This is called Blue Sky Ahead. But this blue is so pretty. It does need 2 coats to make it very opaque, but you can use it for not just Pride Month, but also for like baby showers and whatnot. But now moving on to the 8th color of this collection. So this is a really pretty violet called Soul Model. And this color right here kind of reminds me of Rize from Tokyo Ghoul. It is a double coater, but besides that, I really don't have anything negative to say about this color. But now moving on to the 9th color of this collection. So this kind of reminds me of Belle Delphine's wig. It is called I Pink I Love You, and this actually happens to be my favorite color out of the entire collection because pink is my favorite color. Now moving on to the 10th shade. This is brown, which is kind of reminds me of the color of hot chocolate, and it is called Unity Galore. And just like all the other polishes, excluding the blue, it does need 2 coats to make it opaque. And now for the 11th and final color, this is a black called Raven Midnight. Now this is not exactly my favorite black nail polish I own. As you see, it's super sheer. I actually needed 3 coats to, you know, make it not see-through. But yes guys, here it is. Here's all of the swatches of the Sally Hansen X PRIDE Insta-Dry nail polish. But on the other side of the nail art wheel, as you see, it is naked. I didn't have any swatches. I decided to kind of experiment a little bit. Another Pride collection I have is actually by Holo Taco, so I decided to add like the Sally Hansen Insta-Dry as the base and then top it with the Holo Taco. So the Holo Taco is pretty opaque. Oh my gosh, how many times have I said that in this video today? But anyways, this is what it appears like. I don't know, it's kind of hard to tell on camera, but in person it is really pretty, very eye-catching. That being said, I am definitely going to be using these 2 collections to do some kind of like Pride themed nail art on my channel while it is the month of June. But we are getting a little sidetracked. I'm going to go ahead and go right back to the, you know, swatches and the review. So this collection, I bought it at Walmart. They were $3.96 each. So in total, I spent a little over $43 for this entire collection. For the exception of the green, the blue, and the black, which is a bit on the sheer side, kind of have to work with it a bit. I really don't have anything negative to say about this collection. I really do like it, and I'm definitely going to be using these colors in the future. That being said, guys, I really do hope you enjoyed today's video, and yeah, as always, thanks for watching.